Hey, explorers! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of Australia's most beloved animals, the koala. These adorable creatures are often mistaken for bears, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. So grab your explorer hats and let's get started on this koala adventure. Ready to meet the super cute koala? These fluffy animals are known for their round, fuzzy ears and big black noses. They spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves and taking long naps. In fact, koalas can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Can you imagine sleeping that much? They look like teddy bears, but they're full of surprises. For instance, did you know that koalas have a very specialized diet? They primarily eat eucalyptus leaves, which are tough and not very nutritious. To get enough energy, koalas have to eat a lot of these leaves every day. Their digestive system is specially adapted to break down the tough eucalyptus fibers. Did you know koalas aren't bears at all? They're marsupials, like kangaroos. This means that female koalas have a pouch where their babies, called joeys, develop after birth. A newborn joey is tiny, about the size of a jelly bean, and it crawls into its mother's pouch to continue growing and developing. That means baby koalas, called joeys, live in their mum's pouch. They stay there for about 6 months, drinking their mother's milk and growing bigger and stronger. After they leave the pouch, they often ride on their mother's back until they are old enough to fend for themselves. It's a tough world out there for a young koala. And guess what? Koala fingerprints are almost identical to human ones. Cool, right? This unique feature has even confused crime scene investigators. Koalas have 5 fingers on each hand with 2 opposable thumbs, which help them grip branches and climb trees with ease. Their sharp claws also aid in climbing and provide a strong grip on the tree bark. Let's explore the world of these amazing animals. Koalas are solitary creatures, meaning they prefer to live alone, except for mothers with their joeys. They communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations, from grunts and snores to bellows and screams. Each koala has its own unique voice, which helps them recognize each other in the wild. So, next time you hear strange noises in the Australian bush, it might just be a koala saying hello. Koalas live in Australia, a land full of cool animals. But koalas are picky. They live in eucalyptus forests, where they munch on their favorite food all day. Imagine a forest filled with tall, fragrant trees, the air smelling like eucalyptus. You might even see a koala napping in the branches. That's a koala's dream home. Koalas are picky eaters. They don't just munch on any leaf they come across. In fact, they are incredibly selective about their food. Imagine having a menu with over 600 items, but only choosing to eat from about 50 of them. That's what koalas do with eucalyptus leaves. They have a refined palate and a keen sense of smell that helps them pick the best leaves. They're like the food critics of the animal world, meticulously sniffing and examining each leaf before deciding if it's worthy of their taste buds. This process is crucial because not all eucalyptus leaves are created equal. Some are too tough, some are too old, and some might even be toxic. Koalas have to be very careful about what they eat. But their menu only has eucalyptus leaves. Despite the vast variety of eucalyptus trees, koalas stick to a very limited selection. This selective eating habit is not just about taste, it's also about survival. The right leaves provide the necessary nutrients and moisture that koalas need to thrive. They don't drink much water, so they rely heavily on the moisture content in the leaves, and not just any leaves. Koalas prefer young, tender leaves that are easier to chew and digest. These leaves are also richer in nutrients compared to older, tougher leaves. The young leaves are like a gourmet meal for the koalas, packed with all the good stuff they need to stay healthy and strong. Koalas are picky about which kind they eat, using their super smell to find the tastiest ones. Their sense of smell is so advanced that they can detect the chemical composition of the leaves, ensuring they pick the ones that are not only tasty, but also safe to eat. This ability is crucial because some eucalyptus leaves contain toxins that can be harmful. But here's the thing. Eucalyptus leaves are tough and poisonous to most animals. The leaves contain compounds like tannins and phenolics, which can be toxic. However, koalas have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down these toxins. Their liver produces special enzymes that detoxify the harmful substances, making the leaves safe to eat. How do koalas eat them? We'll find out soon. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of koalas and their incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive on a diet that would be deadly to most other animals. From their specialized teeth to their unique digestive system, koalas are truly eucalyptus experts. Australia is famous for its eucalyptus forests. These forests are not just a sight to behold, but also a vital part of the ecosystem. Eucalyptus trees, with their towering heights and distinctive aroma, dominate the landscape, creating a unique environment that supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. The eucalyptus forests are a testament to nature's resilience and beauty, thriving in various climates across the continent. From the coastal regions to the inland areas, these forests provide shelter and sustenance to countless species, making them an integral part of Australia's natural heritage. Picture this: giant trees reaching for the sky, their leaves making a shady roof. The eucalyptus trees, with their smooth, peeling bark and long, slender leaves, create a canopy that filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. This natural roof not only provides shade, but also helps to regulate the temperature within the forest, creating a cool and inviting environment. As you walk through the forest, you can hear the rustling of leaves and the occasional call of a bird, adding to the serene and tranquil atmosphere. The eucalyptus canopy is a marvel of nature, offering a sanctuary for both wildlife and humans alike. The air smells like eucalyptus oil, a smell koalas love. This distinctive aroma is not just pleasant, but also has numerous health benefits. Eucalyptus oil is known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular ingredient in many medicinal and cosmetic products. The scent of eucalyptus is refreshing and invigorating, often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and relieve stress. For the koalas, this smell is a sign of home. These adorable marsupials feed almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves, relying on the trees for both food and shelter. The relationship between koalas and eucalyptus trees is a perfect example of nature's delicate balance, where each species plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Sunlight peeks through the leaves, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The sun's rays filter through the gaps in the canopy, illuminating the forest floor with a warm golden glow. This interplay of light and shadow adds to the enchanting beauty of the eucalyptus forest, making it a photographer's paradise. The sunlight not only enhances the visual appeal of the forest, but also plays a vital role in the growth and health of the trees. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, is essential for the survival of the eucalyptus trees. The sun's rays provide the energy needed for this process, ensuring that the forest remains lush and vibrant. These forests are home to all sorts of cool creatures, like colorful parrots, lizards, and a myriad of other wildlife. The vibrant parrots, with their striking plumage and melodious calls, add a splash of color and sound to the forest. Lizards, with their agile movements and keen senses, can often be seen basking in the sun or darting through the underbrush. The eucalyptus forest is a thriving habitat, supporting a diverse array of species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has a role to play in this intricate ecosystem. The presence of such a wide variety of wildlife is a testament to the health and vitality of the eucalyptus forests, highlighting their importance as a natural sanctuary. And maybe even a kangaroo hopping by. These iconic Australian animals are often seen grazing or hopping through the eucalyptus forests, adding to the charm and allure of the landscape. Kangaroos are well adapted to the environment, with their powerful hind legs and strong tails allowing them to move swiftly and efficiently through the forest. Their presence is a reminder of the unique and diverse wildlife that calls Australia home. The eucalyptus forests provide a safe haven for kangaroos, offering ample food and shelter. As you explore these forests, you may be lucky enough to witness a kangaroo in its natural habitat, a sight that is sure to leave a lasting impression. The eucalyptus forests of Australia are a true wonder of nature, teeming with life and beauty, and a testament to the incredible biodiversity of this remarkable continent. Koalas live in eucalyptus forests all over eastern Australia, from beaches to woodlands. Near the coast, they live in forests close to the ocean, where it's nice and cool. Inland, they live in drier woodlands. But no matter where they live, koalas need eucalyptus trees for food and shelter. Eucalyptus trees are more than just koala food. They're their homes. Koalas spend most of their time in the branches. During the day, they nap in the forks of the trees, shaded from the hot Australian sun. At night, they climb around looking for food. Their sharp claws make them great climbers. Sadly, koala forests are in danger. People building houses and roads sometimes clear away forests, leaving koalas without homes or food. Also, the earth is getting warmer, which can hurt eucalyptus trees. Protecting these forests is super important for koalas and other animals that live there. Imagine eating only one food every day. That's what koalas do. They eat almost nothing but eucalyptus leaves, and they're picky about which ones. Out of hundreds of types, koalas only eat a few. They have strong jaws for chewing tough leaves. Why only eucalyptus? It's everywhere in their home, and they've learned to survive on it. How do koalas get enough nutrients from just leaves? They have a super nose. They can smell the best and safest leaves and even how much water is in them. That's like a superpower. This helps them avoid leaves that are too poisonous. Eucalyptus leaves are tough to digest, but koalas have a secret, a super long digestive system. A special part in their tummy called the cecum helps break down the tough leaves. It's like a tiny food factory in their bellies. Koalas live in a hot, dry place, but they don't drink much water. How do they stay hydrated? Eucalyptus leaves? They have water inside. Sometimes, if it's really hot, koalas might come down to find puddles. Pretty cool, huh? What's a koala's day like? Eat, sleep, repeat. Koalas are nocturnal, like owls, meaning they're awake at night. When the sun goes down, they wake up and look for dinner. They climb through the trees, sniffing for the best leaves. Koalas are sleeping champions. They sleep up to 20 hours a day, more than sloths. Why so much sleep? Eucalyptus leaves don't give them much energy, so they save energy by sleeping. They nap high in the trees, safe and sound. Koalas like to be alone, but they still talk to each other. Male koalas make a loud bellow to find a mate, like a loud snore. Females make clicking or grunting sounds, especially to their babies. Baby koalas, called joeys, are tiny and hairless when they're born, like a jelly bean. They live in their mum's pouch for 6 months, drinking milk and growing. Then they peek out and explore, riding on mum's back until they're about a year old. Koalas are small but important. They help keep their forest healthy. They're like tiny foresters, making sure everything is in balance. Even small creatures can make a big difference. When koalas eat, they drop leaves and branches, which helps new trees grow. Sometimes seeds get stuck in their fur and fall off in new places, growing into new trees. Koalas help plant trees without even trying. Everything in nature is connected. Koalas help keep the forest balanced by eating eucalyptus leaves. This makes sure lots of different plants can grow, which helps other animals too. Koalas and eucalyptus trees are best buddies. Koalas need the trees, and the trees need koalas to spread their seeds. It's like a team. Fun fact, koalas have 2 thumbs on each hand. That helps them climb, and their noses, super sniffers. They can smell 40 times better than us, helping them find the best leaves. Koalas sleep so deeply they can even snooze through thunderstorms. They also leave smelly messages for each other by rubbing their chests on trees. It's like a secret koala code. Long ago, koala ancestors were much bigger and lived in rainforests. Over time, they changed to live in eucalyptus forests, and a mother koala's pouch faces backward to protect the baby while she climbs. Koalas are awesome, but they're in trouble. Their homes are disappearing, and the earth is getting warmer. It's like if someone bulldozed your house. But we can help. We can help koalas even if we don't live in Australia. We can learn about koalas and tell others. We can also make choices that are good for the earth, like using less energy. We can all be koala heroes. We can help groups that are saving koalas and planting trees. Even small actions can help. Let's work together to save the koala.